Day 32, sit rep. The car is toast. We will have to come up with another plan for probably the next couple of weeks. And whilst we are figuring out what to do, we have found ourselves on the longest cable car in the world. Or telecabine, you know what I mean. Anyway, apparently it's 5 miles long. But we're on our way up. Well, here we are, 1,500 meters up on Mount Uludag, which interestingly was the original Mount Olympus. Sorry to anger any Romans or Greeks out there, but it was. So here we are in a lovely pine forest, blue breeze all around us. We may not have our car, but Joy is still perfectly capable of getting us completely lost in the woods. Maybe bear poo. Got ourselves a barbecue.